What if I told you a simple prompt from DeepSeek AI could generate a digital product worth $70,000 in total sales? Sounds unbelievable? Well, I'll show you proof. There's a store that is cashing in big just by selling these designs. In today's video, you discover how to build a profitable online business without managing inventory. I'll walk you through finding top-selling digital products, generating them with the best AI tool, and making them print ready using Printify for seamless integration with your online store. So, let's dive in. Before selling a product online, it's essential to decide on the best format to offer it. The first option is digital product, which are often sold as PDF file. Once you create and list a digital product, you can sell it for unlimited numbers of time without worrying about inventory, shipping, or production cost. However, the downside of selling designs as digital product is that they typically have lower price point, which can reduce your profit margin. On the other hand, selling physical products allows you to set higher prices based on the product value, giving you a larger profit margin. The challenges with physical products is the need to manage inventory, which can be costly and complicated. It requires upfront investment, physical storage space, and careful management to avoid issues like overstocking, understocking, shipping hassle, and potential product damage. Because of these challenges, many online sellers stick to digital products, missing out on the potential profit that physical products could offer. But what if I told you that you can still create and sell physical products from the comfort of your home without ever touching the product? This is where print on demand comes into play. Print on demand eliminates the need for inventory management and upfront investment. You only produce items whenever a customer places an order, reducing financial risk and allowing you to offer a wide range of customizable products without worrying about storage or unsold stock. With Printify, you gain access to popular white label products that you can print or design on and sell a unique and custom product. Plus, Printify's seamless integration with popular online stores like Etsy, Shopify, Squarespace, and more. You can design your product directly within Printify and it will automatically appear in your store, making the entire process smooth and hassle-free. With Printify new AI model, creating the perfect title, description, and tags has never been easier. Just by providing a brief description of your product, and Printify AI will take care of the rest. It analyzes top-selling products in your niche to generate optimized title, description, and tags, helping your product rank higher in search results. Plus, with AI global network of print providers, you can count on fast production and reliable delivery to your customers. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your business, Printify has everything you need to succeed in a print-on-demand business. I have included a link in the description so that you can register and follow along later in the video. But for now, let's design our first product using AI. Before we dive in, we need to understand what kind of product has the potential to sell quickly. For this illustration, I'll be using Alura, a powerful tool that makes it easy to analyze popular marketplaces like Etsy for profitable products. Once I've created my account, I'll click on Research and select Product. Since I already have an idea of selling wall art designs, I'll type in wall art and AI wall art designs as my keywords. Next, I'll move to the sales section and set a good numbers of sales as a filter. For the revenue section, I'll impute a minimum of $50,000 to $100,000 because I'm looking for a wall art that holds a substantial value. Then I'll choose the appropriate category and finally set the review star filter. As a result, I was able to find products that match my criteria, and by sorting the result to show the best performing product, I could easily identify the ones with the highest monthly and total revenue, giving me valuable inspiration to create my own. I could gain inspiration from this wall art design that focuses on vintage country landscape oil painting. If you check it on Etsy, you notice in the review section that people are purchasing it daily, proving that there's still demand for this type of product. After choosing the type of product to sell on your print-on-demand business, the next step is to decide where to sell them online. There are two ways to do this. You can choose to sell them on a popular platform like Etsy, which has a built-in traffic that can easily drive visitors to your shop. However, it comes with some challenges, including fees, competition right next to your listings, and strict policies that makes Etsy the landlord to your store. Another option is to create your own online store outside Etsy, giving you full control over your branding, lower fees, and the opportunity to build a loyal customer base. Plus, you keep more of the profit and not affected by marketplace policy changes or competing with products displayed right next to your listings. But the downside is that you need to build a store and drive the traffic through social media marketing. But don't worry, I'll share some tips on how to do that later in the video. Now, to get started with your own online store, the first thing you need is a domain name that clearly represents represent what you're selling. Since I will be selling a wall art design, I will name my store Rusty Brushstrokes, which is straightforward and memorable. But instead of using .com, I prefer something that immediately tells my visitors what the website is about, just from the domain name. As a result of that, I'll be using .store. And did you know that website using a .store domain get 87% more traffic and rank 2 times higher on Google? It's no coincidence when customer sees your website on .store, they instantly recognize it as an online store, making it easier to drive sales. .store is specifically designed for sellers, making it an ideal domain for anyone looking to sell online. It's no wonder that big names like Mr. Beast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, Emirates Airline, and over 1.5 million sellers trust .store domain for their businesses. Now let's head over to .store domain to check if your desired domain is available. As you can see, the domain name is available for purchase, but it comes at a cost of $29. However, there's a way to get it at a lower price. Simply click Add to Cart and proceed to checkout. Then use a coupon code Endatah, which I will provide in the description, to secure the domain name at a discount price. Keep in mind that if you choose to enable privacy protection, the price will increase, but without it, you get the domain at a low price for 1 year. But that's not all, because choosing .store comes with more than just a great domain name. It unlocks free access to the plus versions of Elevate.store. This isn't just another discount site, it's a curated toolkit designed specifically for online sellers like you. Elevate.store offers exclusive deals on essential tools to help you launch and scale your business. We are talking about popular platforms like Canva, Shopify, AutoDS, and many more, all in one place, completely free when you choose .store. Now that your domain name is set, it's time to build your website and create an online store. But first, let's create this product. To create a stunning image for this product using AI, I'll be using Kittl AI because it generates high quality images specifically suited for this kind of wall art designs. Here's how to do it. First, create a new project and set the canvas to a wall art portrait size with a 300 dpi resolution. Next, select the AI tool from the side of the screen and choose the image generation option. Enter a simple prompt in this format and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Then choose oil painting as the image style. Kittl AI delivers an impressive result, but that wasn't all. I was able to generate even more unique designs. This process inspired me to craft 100 prompts that you can use to start creating similar designs. You'll find the link to this prompt in the description, and a special shout out to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Since the designs will be printed out in larger sizes, it's crucial to avoid pixelation at all costs. To achieve this, I usually send my design to Let Enhance because it has the option to increase the resolution to 16K. Once the images are upscale and ready, the next step is to prepare them for sales in our online store. You can use platforms like Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, or any other website builder that seamlessly integrates with Printify. For example, I created a website using Squarespace and easily connected it to Printify by going to Add Store, select Squarespace, clicking Allow, input my store name, and just like that, my store was successfully connected. Once that is done, it's time to add a product to our store. First, I navigated to the catalog section and selected poster under home and living. I focused on the ones with the bestseller tag as it indicates high demand. And you notice that this product has one print provider, and you can click on the info option to view the available sizes, shipping costs, and product specification. To start designing, click on Start Designing, then scale it to fit the frame perfectly. On the right of the screen, you see all the available sizes. You can offer more by clicking on Variant and selecting the sizes you need. You can use Etsy to know how sellers are offering their wall art. After making all the necessary adjustments, click Save to finalize your designs. Printify automatically sets default product information, but to make it more effective, I use Printify AI tool by providing a brief information about my product. Printify AI analyzes top performing listing in my niche and generates the best title, description, and tag to help my product rank higher on search results. Next, let's talk about pricing. You can select a price and manually set your own price. Once everything is set, simply click Upload and your wall art design will be available for sale in your store. Now, to drive traffic to your store, you can choose to run paid ads for quick and instant results. Alternatively, you can promote your product on social media without ads, though this will take some time, especially if you're just starting out. But by staying consistent, the results will come, and I recommend using Pinterest for this. Finally, I hope this video was able to guide you on how you can start your own print-on-demand business. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.